Morning guys, it's 8:57, just the start of London session, and I'm looking at Nzdcad. I'm about to place a buy order. Probably let's just do it now. Two buy orders actually. Let's buy, okay, that, and buy again, okay, that, let's just close that. And we're looking at minus $79, 8.57. I'm waiting for London session to start. This is what I teach students, basically what to look for. And on my account, looking to buy Nzdcad, hoping it to go up based on my analysis. And we'll just leave that in for an hour or two and I'll get back to you guys with some progress, okay? Date today is 13th of August, as you can see there, all right? So that's Nzdcad, looking to go long and waiting for market to open for the London session and anticipating at least some decent profits in this area over here. And let's see, close that, okay, that, and hoping to gain at least about, come on, pop up. Okay, well, let's see what happens. Okay, let's leave it for an hour or so and I'll get back to you guys with some progress. I'll speak to you soon. Alright guys, what's happening? It's 10:15, or almost 10:20, 13th of August. And we're up about $221 on this position that I've taken this morning at about 8:30 or something. I don't know, I can't remember the previous video. I'm still anticipating it to reach a decent profit level, which is around, let's just see if this thing pops up. Yeah, about $500 for the day. But it's playing fairly decent from where I got in. So just wanted to give you guys an update on that trade that I took, just to show you how I apply the price action analysis to my trades and what I teach my students on how to trade and find simple opportunities like this in the market every day so that you can profit every day. Look, I mean, there are different ways of trading, guys, but I fairly teach everyone a very simple way of trading, how to spot opportunities like this daily and how you can take advantage of these positions and